take coffee with your cream. You squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't.
Oh my god. Okay, clear ba? Okay, clear. Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Bitbitin ko kayo. Simply CM, and today ay Wednesday. No. Wednesday ba? No. Yeah, Wednesday nga. Today is Wednesday, November 22 if I'm not mistaken. Katatapos ko lang ng aking final workshop sa aking parang training sa work, so it's very nice. Now I can finally relax. It was hardcore from 9 in the morning until 4 ng hapon. Finally natapos na, and then I just have to do a little bit of mga assignment ba gagawin, pero may time naman to do it, so it's not a problem at all. So yun, right now yeah, ano bang gagawin? Naghihintay ako. Hinintay ko si Martin kasi bibili kami ng mga grocery, ganyan-ganyan. And mukhang madilim na, pero 4 pa lang talaga. Ano na kasi guys, pa-winter na ba? So madilim na. So yun. Upo muna tayo. Yeah, so yun yung chika-chika ko sa inyo. At least na-survive ko talaga. 3 workshop yun guys. It's like once a month. And every time it's like really hardcore. 9 to 4, nakaupo ka lang. And then in a way, hindi ka pwedeng anong tawag nyo? Hindi ka pwedeng kasi naka-video. So, kita talaga yung mga ginagawa mo. So, dapat nakaupo ka and you're listening and all that. So, yeah, at last natapos na siya. Tinitingnan ko sarili ko doon kasi oh my God, yung eye bags ko. Anyway, so yun yung update ng aking buhay. And then tomorrow, day off, thanks God. Pero magiging busy tayo guys kasi I really want the house to be super clean. Kasi pa Christmas na ba, at pa Christmas na sobrang magiging busy na tayo niyan. And then yeah, yun yung mangyayari. And then what else? Yeah, walang masyadong ganap kasi guys, walang masyadong ganap. Work lang. And then meron pala. By Saturday ay may kami Yuli Frocos Christmas party, ganyan. And then Saturday yun, pero mag-work kami until 4, and then by 5 start na ng Christmas party, so we got an hour to like prepare ourselves, ganyan. Pero yun talaga very hectic yung schedule dito guys. So and then, afternoon, yung mangyayari is first time ko siyang gagawin, which is I'm super excited, escape room. It's like you're gonna be in the room and there will be some puzzles that you have to solve in order for you to be able to escape the room. So, hindi ko pa yan na-try, ever. So, it's gonna be super exciting. I hope madali lang. Or else, baka hindi kami makalabas. And then, afternoon, kakain. And then yeah, yun yung mga mangyayari. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan. Okay, there. Or maybe lagay ko kayo dito. Wait lang. Okay, good. Okay ba? Yeah. So, okay. So, yun yung mangyayari guys by Saturday. And then by Sunday, work na naman. And then, ano pa ba next? Hindi ko na alam. Yung nasa utak ko, yung schedule ko, until Sunday lang. Titingin na naman ako sa schedule by Monday. So, yeah, and I'm very excited na magpapasko. I'm very excited guys, magpapasko na. Ibig sabihin nun ay masaya na season kasi that's the season for giving and being thankful, ganyan. And then, ano pa ba mangyayari? January. That's gonna be super, super great. I cannot wait. January, February, March. 3 months. I will be in the Philippines. Like in 3 months. Ganun. Nag-file ako ng leave sa work ko and then my manager approved it. So, I have 3 months to be in the Philippines. That's a very long time kasi normally, yung bakasyon natin is nasa 6 weeks lang. Ganyan, in a year. Pero this time, naka 3 months ako. Yun. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Ano pa ba? And sa inyo, ano na mga pangyayari sa buhay niyo? Ano mga update? Ganyan, i-comment nyo naman dyan para may chikanes tayo. And then guys, yung ko pala, mas more active ako ngayon sa Facebook. So, if you're nice, be nice please. Ganun. I-follow nyo ako sa Facebook guys. Simply CM din yung nandun. Pero mas active ako doon. Pero yung mga video na nilalagay ko doon, reels lang. So, mga short videos lang. 1 minute, ganyan. Pero sa YouTube pa rin ako naglalagay ng medyo mataas. Long videos. There. Okay. Kailangan ko nang mag-pack ng mga gamit dito kasi darating na Martin.
You take coffee with your cream. You squeak like a teen. And the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough. You mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur. You still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from 91 that's hiding in your purse. But no matter what I sing, I wouldn't change a thing. You're my postmodern masterpiece. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh.
Okay. Upo na naman tayo. Napako na yung bag ko. Ready to go. Hintayin na lang natin si Martin. So yun. My God. Ang damage ng Okay lang. Maganda pa rin tayo. Maganda tayo. Nasa lang yan. Self something. Tapos guys, ano pa ba i-chicken natin? Yung mga nasa abroad yan ba? Yung mga kapinay at kapinoy ko na nasa ibang bansa like me. How do you feel pag Christmas? Napaghalataan talaga ba? How do you feel na palapit na yung Christmas? Namimiss niyo ba yung Pilipinas? Namimiss niyo ba yung family ninyo sa Pilipinas? Yung friends niyo? And feeling niyo ba mas masaya doon yung the way they celebrate Christmas kaysa kung saan man kayo ngayon? Sa akin kasi parang yung Christmas dito, masaya din naman siya, pero it's more of formal, Parang mas formal sila, mas tahimik, yung Christmas talaga is yung mag-dinner kayo, the whole family. There is like a structure, tapos after, anong tawag yun, mag-exchange gift. Pero kung sa Pilipinas, alam mo yung may maririnig ka na mga bata sa labas na nagkumakanta, ganyan. Tapos yung the whole neighborhood will be talking with each other, bigayan ng pagkain, ganyan. Hindi yan nangyayari dito, guys. Is yung sa Danish na parang culture talaga, like, it's more of you really celebrate it with your family lang. Tapos yung food, walang yung parang kumakatok sa pinto at saka, hi, may kami dito, may spaghetti, sa inyo na to, baka meron din kayong dyan. Walang mga ganun-ganun. So, yun yung parang namimiss ko sa Pilipinas, yung ingay, yung feel mo talaga na parang festive ba? Yung ganun. Tapos, sa Pilipinas, sa September pa lang, there's a lot of decoration already, and if you feel mo na talaga na parang, Christmas na ba? Pag bare months na talagang ganun. Pero dito, hindi. Sa November, ngayon, may mga decoration na, pero hindi talaga yun yung parang katulad ng Pilipinas. Normally, yung Christmas is talaga, bumubongga talaga yung decoration sa December na yun. Pero, September, October, November, parang wala lang. So, yun yung nakakamiss. Yun, but it's okay. Ganun naman talaga. Iba-iba tayo ng iba-ibang country, iba-ibang style. Importante, guys, you celebrate it with the people that's important sa buhay-buhay natin. Ganyan. My God, ang tagal ni Martin. Kaya ang dami ko na sinasabi, hindi ko na alam.